I just finished putting together this little printer cabinet, office cabinet here. It was pretty simple, but it did take a little over an hour and a half to do it. I did it all by myself. It looks really nice, but it is much shorter than I expected it to be, but it's got a lot of room here. You can see you've got 2 extra cabinets here. To plug in, because you do get the outlets, the 2 AC ports and the 2 USB-A ports over there, so that's neat. You can see I've got extra space over here, and then 3 cabinets here, the bigger one at the bottom here, and then the 2 at the top, including this one here that does have a lock right here as well. If you turn it, you can see it kind of pops open like that, so that's neat. And I love this because you can see it's on wheels, so I can move it around. Now, as you can see back here, that's where my current printer is. That's why I picked this up here, and it does look really nice. It'll fit really well, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that together and show you how they looks. Okay guys, I put everything on top, and look at how much room I have now. Remember, everything before was pretty much on the floor in this corner, so it looks so much nicer now. Definitely a little office desk, printer desk right here. I recommend.
We hope this review helps.